began in 1938. The model was built with utmost secrecy.
Benches to wait for the tour.
Oh, yeah, this is an Empire Mine State Park tour, Grass Valley.
Little cottage. Let's go downstairs. Ang ganda. This is the clubhouse by invitation only. Tingnan nyo tong property. It's so big. It's beautiful here. And this one is a fire extinguisher. Thanks to her, we had a really nice tour.
The cyanide gold mixture was heated in a Rockwell furnace to around 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Over to make a scroll.
Diyan manggagaling. And then, pababa doon. Punta dyan.
Lang nila, pero ito na yung wala ko close to. Ito na.
Oh wow, this is cool. Nice. That's the hoist. Cool. Ang galing. Tapos pupunta sila dyan. Dyan sila bababa.
The miners rode on man skips, similar to the one on the rails behind you, to go down into the mine. In the early days, the miners carried candles for light.
Galing. There's a bindaan.
After the miners were lowered to their workstations, the man skips would be taken off the rails, and ore cars would then travel up and down the rails, bringing the gold-bearing ore to the surface. In 1929, Newmont Mining Corporation assumed ownership of the Empire Mine. Shortly thereafter, Newmont also acquired ownership of the North Star Mine.
Look how much. Today's price of gold. Ding 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 ding.